This tutorial is important if you currently keep your EDCOIN in a marketplace account. If you have a marketplace account, please download the Me Wallet if you wish to keep your EDCOIN in your Me Wallet, and more importantly, if you wish to participate in upcoming EDCOIN Smart Staking programs. After downloading the Me Wallet app from Google Play Store, you will need to perform a new sign-up. You will need a new login username. You will need a new password. You need to submit your identification documents for the Know Your Customer verification. Please note that email authentication is required and enabled by default. It is advisable to enable Google two-factor authentication for better security and for a higher withdrawal limit. Once your KYC is approved, you can transfer your EDCOIN from Marketplace to your Me Wallet. Please note that Marketplace will soon be replaced by Me Wallet, so the earlier you transfer all of your EDCOIN to your Me Wallet, the better. More importantly, EDCOIN Smart Staking windows will open from time to time, and staking through the Me Wallet will be the only way to participate in the staking programs. Master EDCOIN Wallet, your all-in-one wallet for the EDCOIN ecosystem.